you radiant souls. My name is Anna and I want to show you my favorite way to make a wet refresh little potion at home. So this is filled with just water. You can do distilled water if you like. It's a little bit cleaner for the hair. So I always start with a smaller batch, maybe about this much, and then I kind of work with it. I see if I like it and I adjust as I use it. So you're gonna open up the bottle, and then you always want a little bit of conditioner first. So I do a couple pumps of conditioner. So we have the conditioner in there. And then I'm going to add the volume. So see how the conditioner's in there? Okay, so the second step is gonna be the volume gel. This is my favorite to add to this mixture. So it's always nice to have a little bit of moisture from the conditioner. And this is gonna reseal in the curl pattern again. So it's very important to have a holding property like the volume in your mixture as well. So do just like a little squirt in there. And then I'm gonna top it off with an essential oil just for a very nice scent because I want it to smell good. So I'm just gonna do a few drops of that. And then it should be a nice little cloudy mixture. So with the essential oil, I used lemon. You can do lavender, you can do citrus, anything that's just gonna uplift your spirits and give you happy vibes when you do your wet refresh at home. So it should look like this. It's nice and cloudy, and just kind of spray it in your hands so you can feel if it's tacky-ish. A little slimy from the aloe vera, and it has honey in it, so it's gonna reseal in your curl pattern. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna spray this on your hair, kind of caress the curl, maybe get it about 50 to 70% wet again, and then you're gonna hear a little squishy noise. So once you do that, that's gonna be the wet refresh. I have that on my Instagram page and my IGTV, but I just wanted to share just a little video of how to make your favorite refresh potion at home using the I Create Volume Gel from Innersense.